Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, ventilated seats, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2014 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.